Alright, Father Mechanic here again. Just want to do a quick video on how to get the convertible top down on a BMW working on 2002 M3. The hydraulic pump motor is actually in the back, but there's a mechanical mechanism here. We pulled the whole rear seat out. We didn't have to pull the whole rear seat out, but when you first access this, you're going to see a plastic cover over like this. And there's actually a button right here. And all you have to do is push that button. In some instances, that button won't push, and you'll actually have to turn the gear. You'll have to turn the gear a little in order to disengage it, but all you need to do is turn this little and push a button at the same time. That'll disengage your top, and then you're gonna have to manually push up on this, and you're also gonna want to push back on this as you're pushing it back. But that's pretty much all there is to it, in case you get stuck in a jam and you can't get your top down. Like I said, we actually didn't have to pull the rear seat. All there was over this is just this little cover there. You flip that back and you'll be able to access this button and the Allen hole. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already.